Namaskar दोस्तों. So today's video is all about doing party makeup with very lesser products. So I'm going to use only 7 products for doing this beautiful party makeup. Effortless makeup, very pretty, and I'm really gonna use only 7 products and going to do every technique, every actually basic and important technique of the makeup, and you will get the result very nice, very good with only 7 products. So let's start. So guys, first of all I wanted to tell you what all 7 products I'm gonna use. So the first product is I'm using this foundation. It's foundation, or you can say base. The second product which I'm gonna use is translucent powder for setting the makeup. Third product I'm gonna use a lipstick, then a kajal. I'm gonna use 2 kajals. So first one is a brown kajal, then black kajal. Then I'm gonna use a mascara, and at the last I'm going to use a highlighter, because highlighter is really important, especially if we talk about party makeup. Then I think highlighter is must, so that your look, it will enhance your look, make your makeup dewy, and you will look very pretty. So I think we can never skip highlighter in a party makeup. So yeah, so the foundation, compact, brown kajal, black kajal, mascara, highlighter, and a lipstick. These 7 products we are going to use in this makeup, only these 7 products. So trust me, the look will definitely mesmerize you. So I think without any ado, we should start now. So let's start. So guys, I have already applied aloe vera gel on my face. Aloe vera gel is really good for your skin, and it also works as a primer. That's why I applied aloe vera gel, so that it prepares a good base for this whole makeup. So afterwards I'm going to use my foundation. So I'm applying my foundation. Never skip your neck area. That is also important. I'm using here a full coverage foundation, because I'm not going to use any other product to hide my dark circles or anything. So that's why I use this full coverage foundation. So let's start blending. If you definitely don't want to invest in much products, then I think you should really go for a full coverage foundation. A full coverage foundation covers most of the blemishes, marks on your face, and gives a very nice flawless finish without putting much effort. So if you don't want to spend much hours on your makeup, then definitely I think full coverage foundation is the best option. Okay, so I'm done with my foundation. Next I'm gonna apply a translucent powder all over my face to um, prevent this foundation, to prevent it from sweating or other. Translucent powder is really good in setting your makeup for a longer time. Instead of a compact, you can definitely go for a translucent powder. So I'm using the same brush for applying both foundation and compact, I mean this translucent powder. So yeah, I'm done. So I'm done with the base. Now I'm going to use my lipstick for my eye makeup. Yes, you heard it right. So because it's a party makeup, so of course a little eye makeup is really required, but I have to use only 7 products, so I decided to go for using lipstick as eyeshadow. So yeah, and I think the result is really nice. So you can definitely go with a similar kind of lipstick. With the you can match the lipstick with your outfit, so that it will match as a eyeshadow, as an eyeshadow also. And if when you use lipstick as an eyeshadow, it is as you can see, it is a really glowy and subtle kind of eyeshadow. So I think it is really looking nice, and it also brightened my eyes. So I'm happy with the result. So I'm also going to set it with a little translucent powder, because it's a lipstick, it is little creamy, so I think it really requires that we just set it with this setting powder. So I'm also going to use the same lipstick for as a blush. So just applying a little bit on my cheeks. I think it's not a little bit. And the same foundation brush I'm using to make it, to blend it. And I think that natural, if you want to increase this, if you want more pinkish kind of cheeks, then also you can put the lipstick a little darker, but I don't want a little natural lips, so I don't want to go over a very dark pinkish shade, so I think it's fine. Now I'm using my brown pencil for my eyebrows first. I'm just filling my eyebrows, I'm not creating any shape. Like so. Just with the help of this brush, I'm just making them so that they look natural. Okay, so the same brown pencil I'm going to use as my contour stick also. So let's see how it will work. My nose, little bit here, and on forehead. And the same brush, let's blend. So because it's a pencil, it will take a little more time to blend, because definitely it is not made as to use as a contour stick, but these pencils are also a little creamy, so it's not like that we cannot blend them. If you think that your pencil is not creamy, then I should definitely not recommend to use it as like this. For my nose, I'm using my hands. Just to giving a nice beautiful shape. So I think it's contouring is done. So the next thing we have to do, highlight. So for highlighting, I'm going to use my translucent powder, and how, I'll show you. So this is my translucent powder, and this is the sponge, foundation sponge, and I'm just going to put it here like this. And we have to leave it as it is. my nose, I'm using my finger. We have to leave it for at least 3 to 4 minutes. So in between, let's complete the eye makeup. So here I'm using this kajal as an eyeliner. I think it's done. And I'm also going to use this brown pencil again for the lower side of my eyes. I usually don't like to like blackish, the eyeliner black, then kajal black. That too much cold eyes I really don't like. Okay, I mean it depends upon your look, of course. So sometimes it looks good also. So I'm just adding a little blackish, this black pencil on my waterline, very little. I think this is okay. So the next, we have to complete our eye makeup with this mascara. On the lower side also. So I think mascara, we cannot skip mascara. Mascara is really important. It opens your eyes, it completes your eye makeup. So I think I'm done. Now using with the same foundation brush, I'm just going to, spread it a little bit. I'm not putting any effort. I'm just pulling it upwards. And yes, the natural highlight I already get. Okay, so the last thing which is left. Okay, I think the blush is really looking very dull, so I'm again going to use the same technique for my cheeks to make my cheeks a little more highlighted. I'm using my hands this time. You can definitely use the brush also. Okay, I think it's looking good now. So again, last thing, second last thing, lipstick. Yep, lipstick is done. So the last thing I'm going to use a highlighter, which is the main element of a party makeup. So I'm just going to use it little bit on my nose, then the upper area of your cheeks to get that glowy, dewy effect. A little bit on your lips. And yes, I'm done with the use of only 7 products. I did all the makeup techniques, and I don't think so I didn't left anything. So I think this is the best way you can utilize only 7 products and do your party makeup, effortless makeup, very simple, very nice. So I think we should see the final result. So let's see the final results.